Good Thursday morning, meteorologist Nathan Kitchens here. We have mild temperatures this morning in the upper 40s. We're dry, we have a few showers to our north. We'll spend most of today dry, just very overcast today. And then we'll see rain showers begin to move in this evening. Looking at your weather highlights here, rain will exit the area tomorrow. So we'll see drier conditions and then dry conditions for Saturday. So that's some good news heading into the weekend. We're going to see warm temperatures as well. Next chance of rain will come on Sunday. So here's that 7-day forecast today, 63 degrees. We'll see a chance of showers coming in mainly after about 5 p.m. this afternoon. Showers this evening and tonight. Then we'll see the rain decreasing tomorrow. Temperatures in the 60s. Saturday should get close to 70 degrees by the afternoon. We'll see partly sunny skies. And as we go into Sunday, our next chance of rain will return. So here's the forecast radar this evening showing you scattered showers. We'll probably see around a 1/4 inch or so of rain tonight. And as we go into, of course, the weekend, we already discussed the dry conditions Saturday. That rain chance Sunday will carry over into Monday, mainly in the morning hours. But look at the temperature trends here. I mean, we're going to be close to 70 this weekend for highs. Temperatures stay mild next week. Certainly a very nice spring pattern underway across the area. So enjoy the warm temperatures. We deserve it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.